Hello there, this is Isa, the rug colorist. Just wanted to show you this rug that has some dye bleed after it was washed. I wanted to explain the process of restoration using color theory in toning down the red bleed that was caused during the wash. So here I am applying a light green only to the areas that look pink. And we're applying a light green because green is actually the complementary color of the red. If you look at the color wheel, it's directly across from the red. So by applying the green to the areas that look pink or red, we are actually bringing that pink towards the beige, and this is actually a pinkish beige in the field of this rug. So I'm actually going all around the rug after I have pre-moist. I've applied just a light spray of water to the fibers just to break the surface tension of the fibers before dyeing those areas. And I'm simply going around and applying this light green to every area that looks pink or red in nature. And you will see here I'm actually dabbing the fibers, putting the fibers to one way and then to another to make sure that I am covering every side of the fiber. And here shortly you will see that I'm actually parting the fibers in order to get the spray, in order to get the dye solution down to the bottom of the fiber. And I'm just touching up the other side that I saw a little bit of red there. So most of the red is actually surrounding the red area in this rug. So you can see most of the dye is being applied close to the red area. And so by applying a light color of green, I'm blending in the beige with the red, bringing all the pink colors to the beige. So it's a fairly simple process, but it's a process that takes time. You have to be patient with the process. You cannot rush this process, but it's a simple application of the color theory that we teach in our Carpet Dyeing Made Easy course. And in the future, we'll also have a rug dyeing made easy course, but the principle is the same. We use color theory to tone down an area that has an incorrect color. In this case, this was the pink that was pink where it should have been a pinkish beige. So once the application process is complete, the next step is to let it dry with a fan over it. Make sure to groom the fibers to one way so that they dry uniformly, so that you can really have a look at how even the fibers have been dyed. And so it's a process that can take several steps of application, drying, application, and drying, application, and drying until the color has been completely restored. So just wanted to share this with you guys. If you have any questions about the process here, let me know. By the way, the airbrush that I'm using here is one that you can find on Amazon. It costs, including the compressor, I think it's about $120 or $130. And I love using this setup here because it allows me to use several cups with different formulas. And this is the process where it stands right now, still to be touched up. Thank you for watching.